my favorite part.
What's up my dudes, we are back with another unboxing. This box here is from Kickstw. It was a $445 all-in mystery box as far as I know, so it can contain accessories, shoes, clothing from brands such as Supreme, Bape, CDG, Revenge Storm, V-Lone, any social club, pretty much any brand that you see on this box. The only thing that I have done to it is just taped over my address. I am pretty excited. I have done a Kickstw box before and it went really well, so I wanted to get another box and see what more they have to offer. This box was $445 plus shipping. I will have a giveaway coming up. It'll be when I hit 150 subscribers, so that could honestly probably be June next year, but we'll try and give it a go. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and comment anything down below that is related to this video. Literally, you could just spam it. I don't even really care. Any comment that you do make will be an entry into the giveaway. I do read every single one of your comments, so I just want to say thank you everyone for the support so far. This year has been a journey and I'm sorry that I am so inconsistent. I'll try and change that next year. Try being the keyword, but let's get into it. I'm just kind of feeling where to cut this box. Really? I'll give you guys the first sneak peek as usual. Hopefully this one can be better than the last few that I've done. Not sure if you can see anything, but let's get into it. Okay, so it feels like there's a box and I'm assuming it's a shoe box. So what have we got here? So this looks like one of the Kickstw Easter merch that they have. Wow. It's actually kind of a nice colour. So it's just one of the, just the Easter merch in this kind of like pale yellow, even off-white kind of colour, with a nice pink and brown Kickstw logo on it. It's actually kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of a nice summer tee, but yeah, I'm still trying not to look. Kind of feels like there's not too much left in here. Maybe one more thing after this, which is a little bit disappointing. There we go. Ooh, okay. What have we got? It is a Fear of God boxy logo tee in the grey colour. These bags are actually so sick. Trust me to get excited over a bag. Alright, so this is really nice material. So it just says the essentials on it with Fear of God underneath. I'm pretty sure this was, don't quote me, but like a Paxson collection. Yeah, this is really nice. It's actually a really nice kind of material. It is an XL, and I think these ones fit oversized. But yeah, I would say this is probably anywhere from 125 to 150. The Kickstw t-shirt, I probably wouldn't even price that one. I believe that merch should be free if you get these types of boxes. As far as I know, there's no Kickstw price on this, so I wouldn't be able to tell you what they have listed on their website. Are you really serious right now? Really? There's no Kickstw price, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. Ah, no! Okay, let me go that way. This unboxing is not going well, I'm so sorry. And it looks like there is actually a Kickstw price on it, which isn't attached to 100. decided to get the last thing out. The camera stopped recording, but it does feel like it's the last thing in the box, which is a pair of Revenge Storms. Now I have had these before and I'm kind of hoping they're not the red ones, but we'll see. Yep, nothing else in the box. So I'm not going to look at the size, or I'm not going to look at the colour, so I'm just going to open it up. And they're the red ones, but that's okay. Like, I don't personally wear red shoes, but I'll get them out. I'm sure you guys have seen this before in my first video, but I'll do a close-up of it at the end. They actually are quite nice shoes, and I really want a black pair for myself, but I don't think I'll be keeping these, unfortunately, but they are nice shoes. So there is a price on this, and it says that they sell these for $325. I would say that these probably sell for no more than about $220 to $250 if you were trying to beat the market on them. But overall, we got the Revenge Storm shoes, the Fear of God Boxy logo t-shirt, and their Easter merch t-shirt, which again I would say is a freebie. There was nothing else that came with this one. Did we take a W or an L? I'm not quite sure how I feel about this one. Just remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell, and stay updated for our next videos. And roll the cinematic.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.